Hey everybody, it's Paul with the Shadow Camper. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Hashtag Nature Challenge dropped by Camp Like a Boon. Stealth Camping Alliance family, I hope you enjoy this adventure. Let's go for an adventure. Let's go now. I've gotten to the other side of this barbed wire fence and I need to get to those evergreens over there. Temperature right now is about minus 20 degrees Celsius, and we should see about minus 25 degrees Celsius tonight. Should snow, and it should be very calm. No wind tonight. The location I'm at, you ask, eh? You're like, Paul, where are you? Where are you? That's the fort, right over there. We come in a different way this time, so maybe we won't be seen or whatever. I'm not gonna go to the fort tonight, but in the morning, they say let's walk out that way. Maybe we'll keep an eye open for a trail cam or something like that. So yeah, the entrance to the fort is kind of right by that peak of a hill, just on the other side of those trees, and up to about there. I'm going someplace over here. So the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance, hashtag Nature Challenge, dropped by Camp Like a Boon. Is this nature enough? Huh? Look at that. Is that nature enough? Let's get there. Looks like we got some animal tracks, look like deer tracks, sorry, bunny tracks. Right along through there. For today's nature challenge, I'm gonna try and sleep in as much nature as I possibly can. All I brought is a tarp, my bivy bag, a sleeping bag, and an axe. I also brought a knife and food and stuff and some joints, but you know, no tent, nothing like that. Looks like there's some kerfuffle on the highway. Maybe we'll go check that out here a little bit. My main goal right now is to find a location to set up camp and get on that pretty much ASAP. It is, the sun has already set. My phone is ringing. Not important. I gotta get on the other side of there, but I guess I gotta go out again. So I'll get there. Okay, now we're into some more promising camp locations. Gotta find something flat, kind of sheltered, enough space I can tie my tarp up. I'm walking on a set of rabbit tracks right now, and obviously hidden enough that I don't become seen. Because a lot of this work is going to be done in the dark. It is the weekend of everybody's premieres, so I'm going to do a super quick edit and get this out as well. I don't want to miss another month. Ooh, it's snowing. pretty close to the highway. I don't want to be quite this close to the highway. Look at all the snow. And like I said, it is supposed to snow again tonight. I really hope it does. Really, really hope it does. Because that would be fantastic nature for the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance hashtag nature challenge. Drop by Camp Like a Boon. Thanks for the challenge this month. I like it. It's one of the big reasons why I got into stealth camping. Was because of nature. I love nature. I love being outside. There's nothing better than being outside, especially on a nice snowy, cold adventure. Well, I think I found camp here, guys. Yep, let's put this bag off. It's really heavy, it's wintertime. Smoke a quick joint and get this on the go. It's I'm hot now, a little bit sweaty, just a little bit. So we'll cool off here and just chill. Yeah, so my goal is now, smoke a joint real quickly. Get the tarp up quickly. Get it anchored to the ground quickly. Get enough boughs and stuff, preferably to make a back wall quickly. Some ground protection quickly. And then maybe if I have enough time, make some sort of like front wall thing quickly. But all without breaking a sweat. You sweat, you die. Especially in the cold. Especially in the cold. Probably could have taken my jacket off for that hike and I would have been just fine. But we'll keep everything in our pockets, lighters, joints, toques, gloves. It all just stays in your pockets. Oh, what are we puffing on, you're asking, eh? Oh, we got some Broken Coast cherry cheesecake. Only 25% THC. We had 5 half grams for, I think it was about 20 bucks. Smoked one earlier after work today. And you get about to that point there and she stops. Does it taste like strawberry cheesecake? No. Cherry cheesecake, my bad. No, doesn't at all. Probably won't be hearing any nature today, as most of the nature is sleeping, hibernating, or quiet. But you can hear my nature. That's the road. You can hear the road. And the road it's my nature. It gets me to so many cool places. It lets me travel. And I get to explore new nature places because of the road. Without the road, I might not see some of these cool places. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna sit here and smoke this. And we gotta get some work done quickly. Quickly, did I mention quickly? Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance, hashtag nature challenge. Quickly. Well, guys, as you can see, shelter has been made. I think it should work okay. I think it should. I was gonna sit down and smoke this joint, but I'm a little bit wet. So I'm a little bit cold right now. So I thought I'd just stand here and smoke the joint. So there'll be a little bit more movement around because I don't stand still for very long. So the weed stores had this really, really good weed at the store. It's called the Growers Good Buds, and it's glue orangutan. That's how I pronounce it. I don't know. I'll bloop it on the screen there for you. It's got OG Kush, Gorilla Glue 4, and Afghan. THC is only at 26.5%, but I tell you, it's like a 35% freaking high, man. It is fantastic. Oh, I just completely broke the lid. That's really important. There it is. Yeah, you got 7.5 grams. Sorry about the green light. Let's get rid of that. 7.5 grams for under $20. That's freaking crazy. And like I said, it is good weed. Good weed. If I had to rate it, solid 9. 9 out of 10 for sure. Just love this stuff. I have my Zippo hand warmer on right here on my chest. You can sure feel it when you stop moving around. But yeah, my back is a little bit cold. My hair's all wet. It's I didn't tell you the time. I got here at 4. It's 5:15 now. And it's completely fucking black. Welcome to winter. Hashtag nature challenge. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Frick yeah. I haven't watched, as of right now, doing this, I haven't watched anybody's video because I was at work all day and now I'm camping. And then tomorrow I'll be editing, so hopefully I can get this up Sunday. Cheers, everybody. For some reason, this batch likes to go out. I don't really recall the last batch doing this. Could be just the temperature, though. Could be just the temperature. Winter so far has been pretty good. It was a late winter. But then, bam, we got snow. And it stayed, and it's gonna stay. Next week we should see like mid-single negative digits, so like -5. I think there's actually one day there that sees 0. Why didn't you go camping then, right? Well, then I would have missed the nature challenge. And here I am immersed in nature, practically sleeping with nature. Hashtag nature challenge. Smoking some natural uppers, downers, drugs, whatever you want to call it. It's marijuana, guys. We're smoking some marijuana. That's right. Marijuana. We are smoking weed. Wacky tobacco. Whatever the fuck else you want to call it. Still really, really disappointed about the fort. I think in that fort video, this was my plan anyways, was to come here and do this challenge. But it went pretty much from brown to white that night. But this is pretty cool. Completely white, completely snow covered, cold. I got my bivy bag tonight, my big army surplus sleeping bag. Thanks again, Richard, if you're still watching. And my air pad, my insulated air pad. And I don't know what that sound was. And it should be a good sleep. I also brought my firebox because I gotta cook hot dogs over the fire. Maybe. I haven't quite decided if I'm gonna do that. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna sit here, smoke this Big Bird. I'll get back to you when it's done. Okay, I'll show you. But otherwise, just sit and chill for a little while. We'll be right back with your regular stealth camping channel of the Shadow Camper. I got it. There you go, Big Bird. Once you light a joint, you don't put it out. I'm gonna quickly walk to the highway. Something's going on. I wanna go see. And I believe it's starting to snow. And then I'm gonna get firewood. So let's do that. I'll meet you at the highway. Yeah, so we made it to the highway. And like I thought, there definitely must be an accident or something up there. But I don't want to go too far out there. I mean, now people will have a little bit better chance of seeing me, right? They're going slower, all that good stuff. Oh, it's nicely toasted. Definitely wetter than I should be, that's for sure. So I gotta work really slow now, take my time. I'm in no hurry. I mean, it is only like maybe 5:30, 5:40. I guess I'm glad I'm not on that road right now. Again, this is hashtag nature to me. I know it's not the normal nature, but this definitely is nature to me. Okay guys, I'm gonna go get firewood, firewall box built, all that stuff. So next time you see me, I'll probably be just having a fire. It's been, I don't know, half hour, 40 minutes. I've gathered up a pretty big pile of firewood. Found a super sweet stick tree over there. And then I was like, do I even want to frickin' set up this firebox? No. So I got me a bed of punky, pretty much rotten logs. So we're just gonna plop our fire starting material right there. And we're gonna start ourselves a fire. So let's do that. I gotta get some other things that I should have got before I started this, but okay, as you see, we got a fire lit. But it's not going so good. It's pretty fucking smoky, burning like crap. Yeah. But it is kind of nice to be warm. So let's just, we'll light the joint here first. It's about 7 o'clock now, I think. Did I tell you that already? So, you know, it's not too late. But, I don't know, there's really not much else to do. The temperature, I got my temperature gauge right behind you. It last time I checked, it said negative 20 degrees Celsius. It's not snowing. This is Bazam Dunked Maui Wowie. 28% THC, 9.2% terpenes. The Green Organic Dutchman is the grower. That's really about it. Let's take a gander here. She's like coated in keef. Sorry about my gloves hanging there. They aren't really doing anything, so I think I'll just slide them out of the way. So, yeah. Everything is definitely more difficult in the winter. Much more difficult. I put my gloves in my bivvy, like my bib pants, so they could stay warm and dry, right? Oh, I got some icicles. And I usually, when I do that, I clip them together. So they're like stuck together so they can't go anywhere. Kind of one down, one leg, you know? Well, I guess I didn't clip them together, so I lost one. So now I got all these little cotton gloves and they're kind of getting already all wet. I got one for bedtime and that's it, and then these pair. And then I'm sitting on my chair, just kind of busting wood up, catching my breath. I fucking broke. Yeah, like one of the legs fell off, the fucking seat ripped off. So right now I'm sitting on the seat on a log next to my nice warm fire, smoking a joint with you guys. Pepsi's frozen. Yep, it's frozen. We're getting some out of it. I don't really feel like cooking hot dogs. That was my supper, so I'm not going to. Just out here enjoying nature. Extreme nature. I am dry now for the most part. My back here is a little bit wet just from the snow falling on you, right? But it is nice to have a nice warm fire. We're just about done this joint, Big Bird. Just about done it. I don't know, it tastes okay. It's pretty harsh on the throat. I'd only give it a frickin' 7 out of 10. Even almost having 10% terpenes, you don't really feel them. I did get some mics. I was gonna bring them, but I think they're on the hood of the van. Like, kind of like, not the hood, but like where the window wipers sit, like the cowl. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I left them there. So hopefully they're still there when Paige picks me up in the morning. Hopefully. We're done it. Sacrifice to the fire. To the nature fire. So the hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance, hashtag Nature Challenge, brought by Camp Like a Boon. I hope everybody is enjoying this adventure so far. I'm having fun. I wish it was snowing more. I do. It's puffing on a prime time now, I guess. But anyways, this is enough of this. So, broken chair, lost glove, got too wet, frozen Pepsi, shitty fire. Good joints though. Good joints. So that's good. Good shelter. I think it should do okay. I didn't go all fancy and do the herringbone style and all that shit. I suppose a guy could go in there and crawl in there now and kind of fix it up before bed. But I probably won't. Yeah, I guess we'll see you in a little bit. Or never again. Nah, we'll see you in a little bit. Well, I'm sitting here, enjoying the fire, enjoying camp, and I heard whoop, 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 whoop. Sirens. So I'm like, holy fuck, like, what the hell? Whoop, 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 whoop. Heard it again. So I quickly run over to the highway. Didn't see anything. So then I come back here and I fucking put the fire out, kick snow on the fire, get it gone. And I stood here for like half hour. Silence. Just standing here in the cold. Hashtag Nature Challenge. Stealth Camping Alliance. Sorry. Just reposition here. So then I finally, it's been like half hour. So I walk over to the road. I see nothing. I hear nothing. But I don't know. It's weird. But anyways, since I've lost my glove, I can't keep my hands warm. It's minus 22. It's not going to snow at all tonight by the sounds of the radar. Or if it is, it'll be a little skiff. And no fire and kind of sketched out. And being cold, I guess, like minus 22. This is the coldest it's been all year. I didn't like really break into anything. It was just like, wha-bam! I put the call out to get picked up. I'm bailing, guys. I'm freaking bailing. That's right. I'm pulling the pin. Blow this popsicle stand. It's just, there's no point. If I can't get my hands warm, I have them hot thingies I don't have them in right now, because anyways, I have them and they're in my pocket. But yeah, there's just no point. So guys, thanks for watching this adventure. Thanks for smoking some joints with me. Thanks for, doing all the stuff that you guys do, the commenting and the chatting and the Stealth Camping Alliance family, as we like to say. Yeah, so hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance, hashtag Nature Challenge. This is just I guess just a little bit too much nature for me this time. So yeah, I'm going to, all I gotta do is put this tarp away, make sure I got everything, and yeah, get out of here. I think I got, like, even my battery in my light is just dying. Every time I'm done filming, I put it in my pocket and it's just slowly dying. Minus 20 degrees, maybe minus 19. So what is that, -4 Fahrenheit? And it's snowing now. You see the snow on the screen? Oh well, I'm cold. My fingers are cold. Hey guys, I've made it to the road. Just waiting for the wife to come pick me up. It's definitely a lot colder and windier by the road. Guess I gotta level with you. After I cleaned up the tarp, I found my glove. So I do have both my gloves, but I don't know, that siren got me a bit on edge. Must have been from the highway. Maybe he was trying to get somebody's attention, and I was just too, obviously they're traveling 110 kilometers an hour, so I can't get there fast enough to see what it was, right? He could have been around the bend, but it sure did sound like it came from this side. Definitely windy. But I do have about 10 minutes. So let's smoke one more joint. Oh, this is the one with no lid. Now the lid's gone. Oh, no, it's in my hand. Well, this would be my first like real failed stealth camp. I think I failed a few in the yard, but that was, just silly stuff. And it just comes down to weather. Like I said, I do have my gloves. I found them. I probably get my hands warm again. What's the point? It's not gonna snow. Doesn't even look like it's gonna snow. That could change and we could wake up for snow in the morning, but who knows? But again, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Camp like a boon. Thanks for dropping the challenge. Thanks to all that are participating. English good, me well, smart, yes. Thanks for hanging out with me, and we'll see you on the next adventure, whatever that is. Hopefully it'll be a bit warmer. Peace. We'll see you on the next adventure. Again, just be kind to somebody. Like I said all the time, just all you gotta do is make one person happy a day. All you gotta do is make them laugh. That's it. Hopefully this video did it for you. We'll see you on the next adventure, guys. Peace. The shadow camper. We hide in the shadows. Where only he can see.